Let's practicalize the properties of solid shapes. And we're going to be starting with a cube shape. A cube is made up of several squares. So yes, you start with a square and you build up a cube. Now we are almost done. So yes, let's count the faces of this cube. That's the space. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. Let's build a cuboid. From the previous video, the connectors are the vertices. So in making the long side of a cuboid, we used paper tape so that learners would not mistaken us trying to make it longer as the connector. All right, so after that we built a rectangle, and yes, this is it. So build it up, build the shorter side. If you don't want to join the longer side using paper tape, another alternative is you maintain the straw as the longer one, then you cut another straw into 2 equal halves to have the shorter side. So that's another option for you, but well, for us we decided to make it this way. All right, so we're done building. Let's count the faces and all. Faces first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's build a triangular prism. That's the solid shape that looks like a tent. Let's count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 edges. We made the triangular based pyramid already. Let's count the faces. We go 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges.